Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your ETH from Metamask to Ronin Wallet, especially if you're into blockchain gaming or decentralized apps. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have both Metamask and Ronin Wallet set up on your device. You'll need some ETH in your Metamask wallet, and you should have your Ronin Wallet address ready. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and ensure you're on the Ethereum network. Ronin is a sidechain, so you'll need to bridge or transfer via the mainnet. Double-check that your ETH is visible in your Metamask balance. Step 2. Head over to your Ronin Wallet app or extension. Copy your Ronin Wallet address, it's that long string of characters. Make sure you copy it correctly to avoid any mishaps. Losing ETH to the wrong address is no joke. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on Send and paste the Ronin Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for gas fees. Gas fees can vary, so check the current rates to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, verify the ETH in your Ronin wallet. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use official wallets and double-check addresses to keep your assets secure in this evolving crypto landscape. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.